When I grew up and I saw graffiti in my neighborhood and like public art, it meant a lot to me. It for sure inspired me, like to be an artist. I've been painting graffiti almost my whole grown-up life, and every close friend that I have today is because of graffiti. And I wanted to celebrate that in my design. I want people to think, when they look at my work, like to value their friends. I think like in today's society, people value their romantic relationships over the friendship. And I think the friendship is as important, and I want to make people think of that when they see my art. I've been thinking a lot about how people view women living alone as failures. Like, even though they have a lot of friends and colleagues at work, that means a lot to them, they're still seen as failures. So my starting point for this project is actually like a continuation of a project I did during my bachelor. The project was around a female artist. I just saw how people regarded her as living alone and being a strong female, doing everything by herself. And everyone described her as like a lonely woman. And not seeing that she had a lot of friends and colleagues around her that meant a lot to her. And I wanted to shift that perspective. I don't think it's like a natural process to question that, because it's so cemented into like society that the romantic relationships are the most important. So I hope people feel a sense of connection when they see a motif of two friends doing something together, and to think about their friends and see them and value them. Not feel as they are failures because they're not living up to some idea of that you have to have a romantic partner and that's have to be the center of your life. That's why it's important for me to explore this topic in my work.